What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. On Friday, I showed y'all 2 hats that Hat Club sent out to me from part 1 of their Sugar Shack 2.0 drop, and today I'm gonna be showing y'all 2 more hats that they sent to me. Shout out to Hat Club, I really appreciate it. These are gonna be from part 2. We're gonna jump right in, but first, make sure that y'all like, comment, subscribe, show the video some love so that I could keep pushing out the hat content. None of this would be possible without y'all. I really appreciate it. So smash the like button, subscribe for more content, and follow me on Instagram too. I am going to be a whole lot more active on Instagram and TikTok, posting fit grids, hat and sneaker combinations. All of that good stuff is going to be on those 2 social media platforms. So make sure y'all give me a follow over there. But let's jump into the first hat. We have this Mariners joint. If you haven't seen the Hat Club Sugar Shack 2.0 hats, they did something different. So the 2 front panels are white. The rest of the crown is a camel color. A lot of y'all in the comment section said that y'all were digging it. I like it too. I think it's perfect for the summertime. White guts on these. So this is a mint, as y'all can tell, mint UV. Classic S Mariners logo. This is my favorite Mariners logo just because of how simple it is. We have the peach, mint, and like a darker blue, royal blue, maybe a navy blue in there. Real clean, real simple. 25th anniversary side patch. And then you have like the shooting baseball compass kind of logo that they use. Baseball star. There's more of that dark blue, some peach, some mint, and of course, the gold threading. Can't forget that because it really makes that patch pop. Great color placement on there. Flat batterman, mint and white. Tonal New Era flag to match the khaki panel. And like I said, mint UV, white sweatband. These are a size 7 1/8. This one is made in China. So there it goes. Seattle Mariners, Hat Club Sugar Shack 2.0. Super clean. So part 2, the mint UVs and lavender UVs are going to be dropping tomorrow. That's Tuesday at 2 p.m. Eastern on the Hat Club website. So make sure y'all tap in. You can check the details out right now on Hat Club's website to figure out what you're going to go for. Don't sleep on this collection, y'all. Don't sleep. The hat that I'm rocking right now is from part 1 of the collection. This is the Atlanta Braves. This is still on the website, by the way. So if you want to cop this, it is still on the website in most sizes. You got the teal A, peach outline, peach UV. Real nice hat. But the hat I'm going to show y'all next, this is one of the lavender joints. Houston Astros. I don't have any of this front logo on my collection. I think it looks good. You have that pink Astros logo with the purple outline. I like it. '2000 inaugural season side patch. Got another Astros logo in there in gold with the pink background, the mint, like a stripe of mint in there, purple, gold, super clean. Flat batterman once again with the lavender and the white. Tonal New Era flag, white sweatband, lavender UV. This one is also made in China. Y'all let me know in the comment section, do you want to see me style the Astros next, make a fit grid with the Astros next, or the Mariners next? I want to do a fit grid for one of them. Y'all let me know. Also, while y'all in the comment section, let me know which UV color was your favorite. Is it the peach, the mint, the lavender? Hold on. The icy. The Dodgers kind of flew. The Dodgers kind of flew. I told y'all that Coliseum patch was going to be a problem. And it was. This was a hot topic. Here's the last look before they are steamed and curved, which I'm going to do right now so I can show y'all what these look like curved, since that's actually how I wear my hats. I have my steamer here. It should heat up in a matter of seconds. That gives me enough time to take off these stickers. And I'm gonna steam both sides of the brim for about 30 to 60 seconds. You don't want the brim to be soaked, you just want it to be soft enough to manipulate. I don't know if y'all can tell on camera, but the brim is soft, much easier to manipulate. Now we're gonna wrap it around, I believe this water bottle is 16 or 18 ounces. I don't really remember, but yeah. I'm gonna wrap it around the water bottle. Make sure that these 2 points on the hat are even. You don't want your hat to come out lopsided. I'm just gonna hold it for about a minute. And all of these times vary. So if your steamer runs hot, you're not gonna have to steam your hat for, 30 to 60 seconds. It might be a lot shorter. Might be closer to 30 seconds. If you like a more shallow curve, you're not gonna hold it on the bottle for a full minute. You might do 40 seconds, something like that. You figure it out as you go. You learn how you like your curve, and then you just keep doing it that way. You get a consistent curve every time. This is my favorite curving method. And as you can see, since it's a deeper curve, you can really see the pop of color in the UV. These different color UVs are a showstopper for sure. Like I said it in the last video, but these are head turning hats. Somebody's definitely gonna ask you, hey, where did you get your hat? Especially the mint. That mint goes crazy. That's super nice. But it's all personal preference, of course. So talk to me in the comment section. Y'all like curving y'all hats? Y'all like leaving them flat? Definitely gotta throw some pins on here. And let me know which hat y'all want to see styled on Instagram. If y'all enjoyed today's video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, and I will check y'all out in the next one.